Well, the health officer in nearby DeKalb County believes COVID fatigue is a big reason why many in our area simply are not getting vaccinated.
Fort Wayne's NBC reporter Jeff Newmeyer is live from the Memorial Coliseum with more on the difficult assignment of convincing more people to get their shots. Jeff.
Yeah, Tom, Lynn, of course, it's important to acknowledge lots of people are embracing the idea of being vaccinated. Tens of millions of Americans have already gotten at least one shot, but others have not yet and may decide not to at all. Now, we could say that a new National Public Radio Marist poll found that 1 in 4 Americans said that they would refuse a coronavirus vaccine outright if offered. Another 5% said they're undecided about whether they'd get the shot. Health experts believe we would really need maybe 75% of the population vaccinated to feel confident about controlling fully the spread of the virus. DeKalb County's health officer, Dr. Mark Souter, says in the 4 far northeast Indiana counties of Steuben, DeKalb, Noble, and LaGrange, only about 30% of folks eligible for a shot have gotten one. He says that's way behind the public health goals. He believes it didn't help that the Johnson & Johnson vaccine was suspended from use for a short period of time due to a blood clot problem surfacing in a very, very small number of women patients who received the shot.
I think the Johnson & Johnson debacle slowed people down, made them think twice. People who are on the edge aren't going to jump over the fence to get their shot now. It gave people a reason that had a doubt not to want to walk toward the shot. I still hope everybody will get their shots because that's the only way we're going to get rid of the ongoing disease process in our communities.
Yeah, I'm kind of, I don't know, I guess I don't really buy into all of it. So I've always been a healthy person and I've never done flu shots. So yeah, I don't want anything to do with it.
Now, Dr. Souter believes misinformation about the value of the vaccines being spread on social media sites is fueling reluctance to sign up for shots. Overcoming, of course, all of that is a major challenge, Tom, Linda, but as millions of people, or tens of millions of people, have gotten their shots, statistics show the number of severe COVID illnesses and hospitalizations way down, and that obviously suggests the situation is improved, even if a lot of folks are still hesitant to get those shots.
All right, Jeff Newmeyer reporting live for us tonight. Jeff, thank you.